At Allison, we deliver more than just transmissions. We deliver confidence on the road for our customers. With our Coach and Boss T-Model transmissions, drivers have smoother control and easier maneuverability, especially through tight curves and steep inclines. Our full automatic transmission means less maintenance and more uptime, which directly impacts the daily operations.
So right now we have 12 vehicles. Of those 12, 2 are equipped with an Allison transmission. The transmission is really smooth. So basically you have a more direct connection between the throttle and the power and acceleration. The number one benefit for us is definitely, I would say, the comfort. The Intarder is pretty useful. It doesn't have as much braking power as the actual pneumatic braking system, but provides a really continuous amount of braking. And also, of course, it saves wear on the mechanical component, because the Intarder basically doesn't wear at all.
We hebben pendelreizen, we doen citytrips, rondreizen, alles soort reizen. Dit is de beste versnellingsbak waar ze ooit mee gereden hebben. Goed voor de chauffeur en goed voor de klanten. Ze voelen niks van het schakelen, parkeren in stadsverkeer, bij file, loopt allemaal perfect. Allison rijdt veel aangenamer en zeker voor het parkeren kun je tot op de millimeter parkeren.